The question number 6 of exercise 2.5. Question number 6 is write the following cubes in expanded form. These cubes are given and we have to write it in expanded form like the question number 4. Here also we write it in expanded form, but here cubes are given. And there is only two identities which we studied, identity number 6 and 7, the cube, expanded form of cube. I will show you identity number 6 and identity number 7. This is the expanded form of cube. So we will use this both identities where it is suitable, where there will use these two identities. Okay, in question number 6. This is the expanded form of the cubes. Okay, where the sign is positive. If there are only two terms x and y, if this sign is positive, then we will use the identity number 6. If this sign is negative, then we will use the identity number 7. Okay, let's see the solution of question number 6. Okay, first part is whole cube of 2x plus 1. It is positive, so we will use the identity number 6. And identity number 6 in book is given in xy form, and it is the x term, so we will use it in pq form. Okay, so since cube of p plus q is p cube plus 3p square cube plus 3pq square plus q cube, and this is an identity. Okay, this is an identity. We can also write this in bracket that it is an identity. Okay, so value of p, put the value of p which is 2x, and value of q is 1 in above identity. Okay, let's put the value of p and q. In place of p put 2x, and in place of q put 1. So whole cube of 2x plus 1 equal p cube, means whole cube of 2x plus 3p square q. So 3p is 2x, so whole square of 2x, and q is 1 plus 3pq square. So 3p is 2x and q is 1, so square of 1 plus q cube, so cube of 1. Now open the brackets. So cube of 2 is 8, and cube of x is x cube. Cube of 2 is 8, not 6. Okay, sometimes 2 into 3 6. No, this is like 2 into 2 into 2. We have to write 2 3 times. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Okay, so it is 8. So 8x cube plus square of 2. First we will open the bracket. So square of 2 is 4. 4x and square of x is x square. So 4x square. 4x square into 3. 12x square. 12x square into 1 is also 12x square plus square of 1 1. 1 into 2x 2x, and 2x into 3 is 6x. We can multiply these numbers in any order, like from here to here or here to here, or we will multiply the second term first with the first term and then with third term. Okay, so we can multiply these numbers in any order. Cube of 1 is 1. Okay, when how 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So cube of 1 is 1. So this is the required expanded form. Okay, thus the required expanded form is 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this is the required expanded form. Now the second part. Second part is whole cube of 2a minus 3b. This is the sign of negative. So we will use the identity number 7 in terms of a, and it is given in a and b. So we will take it in p and q or in x and y. So I will take it in, I am taking in p and q. So p minus q, whole cube of p minus q is p cube minus 3p square q, this is the small p, plus 3pq square minus q cube. Okay, now put p equal to a, and q equal 3b in above identity. Okay, in place of p 2a and in place of q 3b. So whole cube of 2a minus 3b equal p cube means cube of 2a minus 3p square, square of whole square of 2a, q is 3b plus 3p, p is 2a, q square means whole square of 3b minus q cube means whole cube of 3b. Now open the bracket. Square of 2 is 4, 4 into a square is 4a square. First open the bracket with square, this bracket second, first bracket of the second part. 2 square is 4, a square is a square, so 4a square. 4a square into 3 is 12a square. 12a square into 3 which is 36a square b plus square of 3 9 and 3 into 2 6. So 9 into 6 is 54 and square of b is b square and a is product of a and b square is ab square. So 54 ab square. Cube of 3 is 27. 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27. So minus 27 and cube of b is b cube. Thus required expansion is 4a minus 36a square b plus 54ab square minus 27b cube. That's it. Now the third part. Okay, third part is 3 upon 2x plus 1, their whole cube. It is positive, so we will take the identity number 6 in p and q form. So p plus q whole cube equal p cube plus 3p square cube plus 3pq square minus plus q cube. So put p equal this is the small p equal 3 upon 2x and q equal 1 in above identity. Okay, put p equal 3 upon 2x and q equal 1 in this identity. So 3 upon 2x plus 1 their cube, whole cube of 3 upon 2x plus 3 square of p which is whole square of 3 upon 2x into q and value of q is 1 plus 3p, value of p is 3 upon 2x into q, square of q square which is square of 1 plus q cube means cube of 1. Now open the brackets. So cube of 3 is 9. I already explained it in the last part. Square of cube of 2 is 8. That is also I explained you. And cube of x is x cube plus 3 into square of 3 is 9. Square of 2 is 4 x square into 1 plus 3. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 2 is 4 and square of x is x square into this one. Sorry, by mistake it is not a square of 3 and 2, it is a square of 1. So square of 1 is 1 and 3 upon 2 remain as it is. So here 3 upon 2 plus cube of 1 is 1. Okay, now multiply all the terms. So what will remain? 9 upon 8x cube plus 9 into 3 27 into 1 is 27 upon 4x square plus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 1 is also 9 upon 2x plus 1. So this is the required expansion of the third part. 9 8x cube plus 27 upon 4x square plus 9 upon 2x plus 1. That's it. Now the fourth part. Here it is a sign of negative. In fourth part, x minus 2 upon 3y their whole cube. So it is sign of negative. So we will use the seventh identity in A and B form. So A or B, or we can also take P and Q. So the remaining first three parts we used in P and Q form. So fourth also we will take in p and q form. So p minus q cube. So p cube minus 3p square cube plus 3pq square minus q cube. Okay, now we have put p equal x and q equal 2 upon 3y, 2 upon 3y in above identity. Okay, let's put the value of p and q. In place of p, x, and in place of q, 2 upon 3y. So x minus 2 upon 3y and the cube in this. In here I put the values of p and q in LHS part. Now put it in RHS side. So whole cube of x minus 3p square means square of x, q is 2 upon 3y plus 3p, p is x and q square, so whole square of 2 upon 3y minus q cube, where value of q is 2 upon 3y, so whole cube of 2 upon 3y, x cube. Now this is in the fraction, so we'll use the sign of multiplication here, like 3 into x square into 2 upon 3y plus same here 3 into x into square of 2 is 4 upon square of 3 is 9 and square of y is y square minus cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 3 is 9 and cube of y is y cube. What will remain? X cube minus, we can cancel this 3 by 3 because it is in the product form and 1 3 is in the numerator and 1 3 is in denominator, so we can cancel it. Now what will remain? X square and 2y, so product them. 2y into x square is 2x square y. Okay, here 9 is the multiple of 3, so we can cancel this 9 by 3 times. So what is remaining? 4 upon 3 y square into x. So 4 upon 3 y square into x is plus 4 upon 3 y square x. Okay, and the last term 8 upon 9 y cube. So the required expansion is x cube minus 2x square y plus 4 upon 3 y square x minus 8 upon 9 y cube, and you have to write in the last. Thus the required expansion is this. Okay, that's it. By mistake I write here 9, which is the cube of 3. The cube of 3 is not 9, it is 27. So please ignore this. Write 27. 8 upon 27 y cube. Okay, I write here the square of 3, not but it is the cube of 3. So cube of 3 is 27. Please ignore this. So you have to write minus 8 upon 27 y cube. That's it.